Although the system has its own built-in computer, you can still use your own laptop, phone, tablet, or portable device. There are two ways that you can connect your portable device. You can use the HDMI cable or the VGA cable. Both cables are kept in the document camera drawer. If your device does not have a VGA or HDMI port, you will need to purchase an adapter. Plug the provided cable into your device's VGA port, HDMI port, or adapter. Then take the other end of the cable and connect it to either the VGA or HDMI port on the system. If you are using the VGA cable and would like to play sound, you will need to attach the 1/8" cable. One end goes into your device's headphone jack. The other end goes into the 1/8" jack on the system, which is next to the VGA jack. If you're using the HDMI cable, you do not need to connect a separate audio cable. Once you have connected your device, choose the correct activity in the Podium controller. If you're using an HDMI cable, select HDMI in the Display Source section of the Podium controller. If you're using a VGA cable, press VGA. Some laptops require you to change your display settings to send the image to the projector. If you would like to connect your laptop to the internet using RU Wired, simply remove the Ethernet cable from the document camera drawer. Connect one end of the cable to your laptop Ethernet jack and the other end to the Ethernet jack on the Podium. If you are interested in learning more about projecting from your laptop, phone, or tablet and connecting to the internet, please visit the DCS blog at dcs.rutgers.edu.